Okay, so good evening everyone. This is our page for Sharrock Sales Point, bridging the gap between distributors and shop owners. So the problem we have faced is that the logistics service providers normally have to go to the shop owners to ask what the products they want, and then they give that product only. But from our platform, this problem can be easily solved. They can communicate with each other through our online platform. So the problem is threefold. I will explain it now. So the first problem is the demand. The shop owners will not be continuously providing their distributor from each stock they need. So the distributor have to go to each shop and ask for what products they need. So this might also incur our second problem, which is the cost for the distributor to go to all these shops and ask for the products they need. So also the traveling time is another problem that we have to solve for our logistics service providers in this going to all the shops problem. As a solution, we are going to create a platform, online platform for the distributors and vendors to come together and communicate and to know the demands each shop owner needs. For this platform, the logistics service providers will be able to create more revenue, save time, and also attract more customers. So according to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, we are tackling two problems, which is decent work and economic growth, and also the industry innovation and infrastructure. So our business model, the revenue model is quite simple. We will charge 200 rupees for each product from every distributor per month. So initially we will have 250 distributors from the consumer products, the food, the instant food, beverages, such items, which is our first target market. In that target market, we have identified about 250 distributors. From those 350 distributors, we will get a annual average fee of about 48,000 rupees, which is a 12 million market share. So if you talk about our competitive landscape, we are the only such platform in Sri Lanka, so we are very unique. We do have one competitor. It is in Germany, PartnerRed. For the promotions, we are going to use events and conferences that are for such distributors and go present our proposals there, and also use social media. For distributors, we will provide a huge platform of shop owners. We choose them, and also stock analysis, data analysis, and also tracking deliveries for distributors and shop owners. So the shop owners will be able to pay online and easily place their orders. So as I said before, we do have about 2,500 logistics service providers, which will convert to a 3 billion total market. But initially, we are only tackling 12 million market from those 250 logistics service providers we have targeted. This is again another way of us saying the 250 total market. From those, we will at a minimum of 1,000 products, which will create a revenue of 1 million rupees, which will convert to a 12 million annual share. So advantage, we are again a first to a market, but we are not going to become a burden for the distributors and shop owners in their traditional business change, because we are not third party. We are only provide the online platform. So this is the key metrics of a 3-year projection of our market, which will create a revenue more than the expenses in 3 years. So this is our beautiful team. We always work together. So we are going to bridge the gap between the shop owners and distributors. Thank you. I would like to also show a little demonstration of our platform. This is our platform. So thank you.